So welcome to what I'm calling the Mediterranean chicken wrap. And it's really just something I made up and I don't have a name for it. So what you're going to do is take 3.5 pounds of chicken breast and coarsely grind those. And then you're going to add the spice mixture to this. So I'm going to have the spices that I'm adding to this listed below, but it's very similar to a gyro. Then I took some olive oil and garlic and kind of blended that together, and we're adding that. And the last part is a good Greek yogurt. And then you're going to end up mixing this up, and you're going to refrigerate overnight or for as long as possible. The next thing you want to do is get some cucumbers, tomatoes, and basil, and I added a teeny bit of salt, and I mixed that together, and I just refrigerated it. Then after the meat is done marinating, you're going to chop up some spinach, red bell peppers, and scallions. And this is where the salt's coming in. I'm adding either a pecorino romano or a Parmesan cheese. And then you're going to stir that up into the marinated chicken mixture. And this is what it should look like when you're done. You're going to let that come to room temperature. You're going to stick it in a deep baking dish and cook that at 375 degrees for probably an hour and 10 minutes or 15 minutes. The next thing you're going to do is take a cup of balsamic vinegar and I added about a quarter to a third a cup. It depends on how sweet you want this. And you're going to reduce that by half. It's done when the mixture sort of coats the spoon. Then you can turn the heat off. And to assemble this, you're going to take, I use naan just because I like it better than Mediterranean bread. And so I'm taking that mixture and I've sort of chopped it up. But make sure you keep the juices in there to keep the meat hydrated. Otherwise it will get dry. Then I'm topping it with that cucumber, tomato, basil mixture. Then you're going to take that balsamic glaze and you're going to drizzle that on top. And I added a seasoned feta cheese, but you could use any sort of feta cheese or crumble that you want to add to this. So thanks for watching. Leave any comments or questions below. And don't forget to subscribe.